Friday, February 17th. I'm buying some SPY 410 puts at 645. This is on the 15-minute chart. I kind of watched the opening closely. I knew we were reaching a key liquidity area here, so it was tricky to know if you get the follow through to the downside, even though that was the initial play. Then I saw it come up, take out the kind of these first bar high, pre-market highs, and then fail again. So I'm buying the puts here on this, kind of 2 up, 2 down, looking for it to now kind of move below the pre-market lows and the intraday lows and kind of work lower. Again, this is the gap down day. We kind of came up a little bit, filled that, starting lower. This is the key liquidity area that we took out. So this is an area you could reverse, but we do have the 2 down week here, and it's early in the day right now. So we still could be, if we could just continue lower on this week, we could be heading down here to that 400 area by the time the day is over, if we get that move. So it's a little tricky given that, this was the first pause area here, the first target, from this big overall consolidation area we have as we came down. This was an obvious, once you were going to gap down, you were going to hit that area. So it's just a matter here, are you going to reverse back up, or are you going to kind of close the week kind of pretty weak here and then have follow through either for the rest of today or into next week lower. So that's what the 15-minute chart's going to show us. You can see here the big wicks up here. So if you can get, hold the midpoint of kind of those wicks, I think you'll be in good shape to continue lower. But I just want to see it follow through, let's take one step at a time towards the lows of the day. And let's hope that this is the high of the day here on bar number 5. And we could be ending for a pretty bad week, to the downside, which would mean, some follow through lower. There's a lot of targets down here in the weeks ahead. And again, the monthly chart, if I look at it, that's finally turning red for the first time. So there's a lot of things that are failing here, or starting to, for the month of February. And I'm going to, kind of look at this price action here and buy some puts. Take out the lows of the day is step 1. And then, like I said, we do, even though it's the last of the week, we do have a target down here at 400. So let's see what kind of price action unfolds for the rest of the day.